student Manuel, faculty with the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. The American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine has 3 levels of courses with topics encompassing things like skin conditioning, chemical peels, botulinum toxin and fillers, PRP, mesotherapy, thread lifts, and cosmetic dermatology, just to name a few. If this is the start into a wonderful journey into aesthetic medicine, I promise you won't miss out. If you have already been doing aesthetics, I promise you won't miss out. I look forward to seeing you in the various locations which are held under the banner of IBC, such as Dubai, Mumbai, and Cairo. So what are you waiting for? Let's come together for aesthetic medicine.